Finally, you look like my wife again.
You know what they say you should do?
You must bag my face. Sad.
Go ahead.
Bag.
You know I need to buy some of these.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
This was saying 19 minutes. 10 minutes ago. It was saying 17 minutes, 30 seconds ago. Just that little piece of traffic. How do I say weird? We're in the traffic. And the thing said 15 minutes, about 20 minutes ago. And for the first time in my life, I have seen the time on Google Maps going up and not down as traffic increase. Left out after 6. When we drove out after 6, it said the first place we were going is 7 minutes away. The second place is 20 minutes away. That should give you roughly 30 minutes to get to both places, right? It's now 7:25. Make the maths work. Make it make sense. I know there's not much you can do for her face, but try your best, alright? Let's try. So, pretty. She pretty hard to deal with. Can't answer. How do I get rid of this stress? Where can I leave this stress?
The tops. I want to see the bottom.
No, that's true now. The technical part. You know, if you can put it down and take it back up a couple hours away.
You just want to put it on
Rest. Just rest.
No, man, we can't help you.
That's Sophie. Her real name is Sophie though. But through me, everybody call her Sophie. Me go call her Sophie. And she has the arduous task of trying to make this lady look beautiful.
Oh my words.
You know what? Well, I know. Yes, man. Right out of the rain. Right out there, I'm going.
She gonna look me. Mandeville people unite. Come all the way, come look me. I'm glad you said. So, more often than not, when I produce stuff, I tell people that they may have to wear makeup. I'm going to have to wear makeup today. And Tina is going to put it. If I look good, I just naturally look good.
Of course.
If I don't look so good, it's Tina's fault.
You won't not look good.
Tina is gonna do a good job, guys. Tina is gonna do a good job. So I just got my trim. Tried to lose a couple years. The reason why I don't trim everything off is because I'm gonna look too young. And I have 2 daughters. One says she like it and one says she don't like it. So I'm conflicted to trim or not to trim. What do you think?
I like it.
Tina says so.
Nice.
Good.
And I know that you look very younger without it, so keep it.
Can't lose everything.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from from the curves. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs.
Circling and F.I.R.E, you know, Jim. Your makeup good, though, friend.
Tina.
Yeah, friend.
Tina.
Look good and such.
Always.
I found a new hairstylist for town, babe.
Alright. I'm really sure if she can do nothing else.
Lord have mercy, where am I
You
going
know
to
what, babe? Can you make yourself useful? And can you get some coffee for me, please?
Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea.
I'm not really hungry.
You're looking nice, though. You're looking nice.
Yes, and some must give her something different. Come on, like a hot girl.
Yeah, girl.
Hot girl in her pajamas.
Bubbles.
Hot girl in her pajamas.
So your hat is all on your head. So we're gonna make it frame. So this is like a frame situation.
Okay.
So let me start putting on the hat.
Okay.
This is gonna look like.
Look on there.
Don't put it on it.
See, the only time a halo is around her head.
Literally right behind your head for real.
This is the most angelic she's going to be.
Jesus.
Otherwise, she's a dead.
yourself.
Benita, why are you looking in here? Why are you looking in here? Huh?
Why am I doing this? Come here.
Benita, should I be alone to carry it?
Lord.
You wouldn't have this much fun, right? Yes, boss.
Say hello to Titus.
Benita, give me a tights.
Yes, a nice tights.
True. I tell them, some wear size thick, and then give me size tight. Good morning, good morning. How are you?
So what they say you should do?
The most bag on face. Sad.
Go ahead.
Bag.
You know I need to buy some of these because I always putting rags and stuff over my face.
Oh, I'm thinking that myself will cover my face.
No. No for me.
Finally, you look like my wife again.
I should be I'm on the people in shirts.
Look at the beautiful.
What's your business?
I'm wondering this stuff for the supposed to get. I want to get a large top from swim for you. The large top might swim.
Oh.
This look like a wedding veil, babe.
Babe, I some of it.
Mm-mm.
Mr. Cuff. I don't know, and I'm still trying to figure it out.
I want to put it on.
It took me 15 minutes to look like this. 3 hours later and them still can't make it look good, right? Guys, I'm joking. Alright? She looks lovely. Right, Mrs. Cuff? Right, Mrs. Cuff? Right, Mrs. Cuff? Beauty and the Beast.
Lord have mercy.
But you know which one is the Beast? It's me.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the curves. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some love.
Actually, probably hear the fan, but
Yeah.
we're on a break. Actually, the kitchen scene, and it was, listen, when I tell people you have medium shot, wide shot, close up, you have extreme close up, you have 5-6 takes, and all you will see is the finish. Yeah, but we put it in the hard work. She's a natural, like this is not really me, me are the behind the scenes type of guy.
And we're working with a great team.
Yeah, pick up the
Great
advance.
team.
Big ups. And you know, it's fun.
I'm enjoying myself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I look like an elf. Have you been naughty or nice?
It depends.
But yeah, guys, remember to celebrate time with your family, spend some time, have some fun, and of course, remember the real reason for the season, and of course, spend some time and just enjoy your family.
Boogie down.
Enjoy your family.
Remember your hands developing. Yeah, don't doubt. At 3, smiling, 2, 1, and action.
Merry Christmas, everybody! Welcome back
Another
to
exciting
Yup,
episode of
Stuff
Stuff
from
from
the
the Cuffs,
Cuffs.
where we give you fire.
We're fun,
Inspirational.
we're real.
And we're educational.
Guys, it's Christmas Day and we're
And a big
so
show.
very excited
Big
to be
show.
sharing with you. It's a we know it's not mackerel we cooked today. It's a
And action.
Merry Christmas,
everybody!
and welcome to another
back.
episode of Stuff from the Cuffs, where we give you fire.
We're fun,
We're inspirational.
we're real.
We're educational.
It's Christmas, guys, and we're so very excited.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy.
Yep. Yeah, looks real good. Real good. I would almost believe that you're married.
Yeah.
This goes to believe.
Right, I know.
Yep. So go on to 40. Same thing. Rewrap. Thank you. So same sequence. You just go and capture it. Sorry. So over the shoulders, I'm shopping. What are they doing on the over shoulders? Just a scrolling? Shopping. Okay. So every now and again, I want you to do a, this is it, just do a, like that. Don't touch the screen, just do that. Okay? Like you're scrolling up the Amazon page. Okay? And if I say scroll, do that. If I say click,
Keep using it. Okay,
get your hand out of the, okay? After.
I know, right?
And then click. Yeah.
Yes, I want.
Right. And then scroll.
Yeah, you want that one? Yeah.
And click. Cut. New clip.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bria, go Bill, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
black like a car.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that
Big up from Flow. Have a fair.
stuff from the cuffs.
Very good. Keep it going. Big up. 3, 2, 1. Big up from Flow. Have a very Merry Christmas.
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the
I know that.
stuff from the
And cut. How we stay with the present?
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. Feeling good.
What was the best part about the shoot for you?
The best part about it was being an idiot because I have my doctorate in it. It was being our natural selves. So yeah, that was the most fun part. And I get to go home in a new hairstyle as I'm going to replicate for the holidays. Yes, I'm going to tag. Come. Yes, this is my hairstylist. Let them know.
Beauty.
Yeah, David Jonas Beauty.
Yeah.
So you can check her out on social media platforms.
Yes,
and make
she did
her
wonders.
Come on.
She did wonders.
Hear him. And this is my MUA. Tell me social media.
Basilia's. Wait, name again. I changed my name. Basilia's Beauty.
Because I'm here saying, hold on.
It's so name.
I changed my
Thank you,
name.
thank you. We'll tag it. We'll tag it down below, okay?
Because that's like, wait for a moment.
Right.
As in, you know, that's not my name.
That's why when you're saying it, I'm looking at you like, but that's my name.
Yes, so I researched it. So God wanted me to get a unique name.
Yes, it means
And
royal.
I'm all about royalty and, you know, and all of that. So
Love
when
heart.
I did the research, I'm like, this is the name.
So you
I
see, you
thought
had to
you
do.
were joking.
You had to do something with Basilia. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I thought you were joking.
I didn't even realize it.
Oh my
Yes.
gosh.
Yes.
A match made in heaven.
It's everybody else.
A match made in heaven. Christmas is about family, and for us at least, it's about family and friends and food and fellowship. But you know, we're just spending the time. Sometimes throughout the year, we get so busy that we don't get to spend much time. We're in the same space, but we're not in the same space. Always working, always doing different things. So, what does Christmas
It's a
mean
nice
to
little
you?
getaway.
Yeah, what does Christmas mean to you? So,
I just look forward to the time off. Even though time off don't really mean time off, not doing anything, but just to have everybody together, whether it is just some or all the family members. So that's what I look forward to the most. And the girls love Christmas and they look forward to Christmas. It's like the biggest thing in the year. So their excitement is contagious. And you know, we're looking forward to making this year special again.
that's what Christmas means to us. So it's not about the commercialization. And yes, there are some gifts and there is some joy. But it's really just spending time together. Yeah? Spend time together. Don't cuss. Don't knock the season. Just find your reason.
That. Scoot up. Alright, so we're in Fromage.
What?
We're going to just grab a bite and then head home. It's kind of like a date day ish kind of. Oh, the lighting is so pretty. Yeah. So yeah. Hello. How are you? Yes, so it's been a great day and just gonna chill a little bit and then we go get the girls. I'm sure they'll be happy to see us.
We're glad for the break. Every break we can get, we take it.
Very happy. Yeah. Are we at sir?
Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some love.